diciendo a que ayer cuando lo saqué afuera, le quité el helmet y sigue en la parte roja de aquí, el point ese de aquí, lo tenía bien rojito, después se lo puse, pero es normal así, it goes away, doesn't matter. Sí.
No, pero be nice. Come on. No, mira, look. Over here.
Good morning. Mira también. Buenos días por la mañana. Hello, Jakey.
Ella te está diciendo algo.
Every morning she always says hi.
Dile buenos días, Jakey. ¿Cogiste ese? Pero ese no es el que tú tenías.
No. Se lo quitó a Sari.
Ya Saria dice, aquí más vale que me esté tranquila porque son 2 contra 1.
They took off his helmet?
No, we forgot to put it on this morning. It's Red Nose Day. These are my co-workers.
So we're going up the stairs.
Yeah, you guys could go up all the stairs here.
We're gonna take a picture. Can you hear me?
Yeah, they're doing the front look. Oh man, we're gonna have to digitally put a red nose.
Oh, is this for your vlog?
It is. Say hi. Say hi, Vance.
Hello.
Do we have everybody? Now we do.
What do you? I can
This way so I don't have to go down another step.
Really?
She's gonna be in my vlog. Say hi.
So you want to come in the front?
Yeah. I saw it.
We took the picture.
So,
How are you?
Oh. Vanessa's always following me.
I can't breathe in this thing. Say hi.
Say hi.
But the phone is ringing.
There you go. Say hi. Say hi, everybody.
Hi.
So today's vlog will be mostly about me at work. The day kind of went by really quick. We had that red nose picture to take together, and then now all of a sudden it's like 3:30. So I'm on my way down to get ice. We have like the most amazing ice machine, but it's so amazing that it runs out of ice like when you go during peak times like breakfast or lunch. So I'm gonna go down now and get some ice. So one of the cool things about the company I work for is that it's casual all the time, so I can wear jeans every day. People here at work look at me weird when I'm talking to my phone. So I left my breast milk. So I have to go back upstairs. But it seems I need to change my catchphrase. When people ask me how I'm doing or how's it going, I always say living the dream. But now people are starting to say it before I say it. That's not cool. I need to drop off everybody. So I could go to Target and pick up the last minute things that we need for our little trip. We're gonna go visit my mom. She lives 3 hours away. So yeah, oh my god, that's cute. I don't know if you can see. Let's see if you can see it. See right there? That little pug is wearing a tutu. Anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna go to the store to pick up some last minute things, and I have to decide what I want to do. Do I want to go to Target or do I want to go to Publix? But my friend Emily over at Matt and M sent me a Snapchat that said that they have a 25% off cartwheel on Frappuccinos. And that is not an everyday thing. So I think that I have to go and check that out. Right? So I might do both, yeah. So I don't know. Hansel kind of sits reclined. I feel like it's all the way back here, like sleeping at the wheel. So yeah, so I think I'm gonna go to Target. I mean, why even waste my time at Publix when I can go to Target and waste way more time? Well, I'm in the shopping center. I think I'm gonna have to go to Target. I'm going to Target. I don't know why Target is so awesome. Target. But first, Starbucks. So get this. The person who runs the little Starbucks here is on break, and they have nobody who can make Frappuccinos. I actually took a screenshot of my list. I'm gonna add it here so then you guys can see what I come out with. This is hella tempting. I mean, to buy 15 just to get $5? So tempting, and it always gets me, but it cannot get me today. You see that? Walking away from the clothes aisle. They almost got me. Almost. So since we haven't really figured out London's nighttime solution, I am picking up 1 pack of disposables. A small one, because I'm hoping to figure out a solution soon. Yeah. So why would somebody do this? This one is open. This one is open. This one is open. And people, it's unfrosted. Who the hell wants unfrosted Pop-Tarts? Only Hansel. And of course, those were the only 3 boxes. So I only bought 2 things that were not on my list. I lie. A little bit more. I bought myself 2 shirts that weren't on the list. The diapers, which I showed you. Socks for Jude. And spoons for the babies that it seems that Jude has been throwing them in the trash because they're all gone. Oh, and paper plates. These are the 2 shirts that I got for myself. Oh, horizontal stripes, I know. We'll get into that another day. Yeah, I have problems. But I'm back. Well, guys, you are not gonna believe this. So we're packing up so we can leave tomorrow, and our doorknob broke, and of course it's like 11 o'clock at night, so the landlord is definitely not awake at this time. So I am headed to Walmart to go get a new doorknob. I am confident in my ability to reinstall a new one. It's not the actual doorknob, but I don't know what it's called, but I can replace it. It's the little thing that, this is gonna look funny, that goes into the door jamb. So, you know, so the problem is it's not going, like if it went in and stayed stuck, it wouldn't be a big deal, but it's not going in. So if we close the door, we can't even get out. So anyway, that's today's drama. So this vlog is gonna be very long today because I have tons of footage from today. from Red Nose Day to Target. And I didn't tell you what happened to me at Target. So when I was leaving Target, I saw somebody pull into a parking spot behind me, and I started to back out, and I guess that person decided that they weren't parked straight, so she backed out real quick, and we both kind of tapped each other. It wasn't that bad, so we decided to exchange. We were speaking. We decided to exchange insurance information. Well, apparently exchange meant that I wasn't going to get any insurance information. I basically gave her everything. When I asked her, she was like, no, I'm not going to give you my insurance information. So I sat in the Target parking lot waiting. Well, I called the insurance company, and I basically reported the accident, and I gave them her license plate number, which was the only thing I had, that and the make of and model of her car. So yeah, so today has been very interesting. It is already 11 o'clock, and now I'm heading to Walmart to buy a doorknob. But the positive here is that we are done packing. We just have to load up the car. So whatever. All right, guys, we'll see what's going on at Walmart. Nothing like Target. Miami problems. When you don't know how to say doorknob in Spanish and the person you're asking doesn't speak English. Thank goodness I brought it with me. The question is, do I get both the deadbolt and the knob? Or do I just get the knob? Then I have two different keys. What color do I get? I think I'm going with this one. It's only $27. So it says easy to install. Must be true, right? I love when people look at me talking to my phone. I almost grabbed something other than the doorknob. Distractions. So Walmart only took me 20 minutes. Had I had to go to Target, it would not have taken me 20 minutes. It would have taken me way longer and a lot more money. I actually only came out with a doorknob and a Coke. Had I gone to Target, I would have come out with a doorknob, a Coke, clothes for the kids, and picked up all the other stuff I passed by earlier. So yeah, let's see how this doorknob installation goes. This vlog is gonna be like a day and a half long. It's almost midnight. I'm pretty confident in my ability to install this doorknob. I think I've installed one before. I took it off the door, so I'm pretty sure I can put one back. Let's see how that goes. I consider myself to be pretty handy when it comes to stuff like that, so I'll let you know how it goes. Maybe I'll even have Hansel record some of it. So you guys want to see my awesome way that I covered the hole of the door? Look at the sock. Hello! Save me! So here we go, doorknob installation. Will it work? Lock both. Did it?
Yeah.
Oh, I can install locks.
New job.
So the verdict is that I can install a lock. The question is, can it keep people out? Well, guys, it has been a very interesting night. It is way past midnight. The installation only took me about 45 minutes. But because of all the drama with the car and the parking lot and the doorknob, I hadn't pumped yet. So I'm pumping now and then I'm going to bed. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give a thumbs up for awesome door installation and crazy hair. Always. Yeah, so I don't know. Maybe I'll see you tomorrow. Who knows?